Hello TK, welcome to your math lesson. To begin, we're going to go over our objective. As you can see here, I have it highlighted in red. And remember, our objective is what we are going to learn. Now go ahead and repeat today's objective after me. I can count objects in a circular form. So I know what counting is. I'm going to use my mouth to count. Maybe use my eyes to see what I'm counting. But what does a circular form mean? So when you think of circular, just think of a circle. In a circular form, it just means that our objects are going to be put in a circle. This kind of reminds me how the planets, as you can see here, are in a circular form. And if we were to have to count these objects, we could use a method I like to call crossing out. We can cross out as we count. So if we were counting these planets in space, how many planets do we have circling around the sun? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 planets circling around our sun right now in outer space. So let's go ahead and move on to the rest of our lesson, and let's see how many more objects we can count in a circular form. All right, TK, you can see here that we have some Christmas trees. And if we're looking at these Christmas trees, remember, we can use our crossing out method. So I'm going to use my pointer here. Let's go ahead and count how many Christmas trees we see. 1, 2, 3. Who else counted 3? You are correct. All right, let's move down here to our reindeer. And these are in a circular form. They are in a circle. So let's count our reindeer and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I already counted that one, so I'm going to stop here on 5. Did you count 5 too? You are correct. Now let's move on and see how many more objects we can count. If you think back to our religion lesson, as you can see up here, this is our nativity. This is the stable where baby Jesus was born. How many people do you see around baby Jesus? So we're not going to include baby Jesus. We're only counting the people around him. Let's count. We have Mary, 1, and Joseph, 2. Did you count 2 people also? You are correct. All right, moving down to our last couple of objects down here. I have some Christmas ornaments. Let's count our ornaments and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 Christmas ornaments. Good job, TK. All right, TK, now that we went over counting some of our objects that were in a circular form, we are going to go ahead and move over to our worksheet. This is where you're going to show me that you can count objects in a circular form. I only want you to color the groups that have 5 objects inside the box. Remember, if we're looking at the strawberries, you're going to color the group that has 5. And when you come down here to the juices, you're going to color the group that also has 5. Good luck, TK. I know you can do it. And don't forget to write that name up there.